My biggest win with Excel University has just been enhancement of my skills and time saving. And I'm more efficient and just able to figure out Excel problems a little bit easier. My name is Jorge Cabrera. I am in New Jersey and I work for Extreme Networks. I am a sales operations analyst. The main thing in my job as a sales operations manager, analyst, etc., Excel is a huge part of it. My goal was just to continue to work on my skills. So as I was in between jobs, I said, this is the perfect opportunity to really start working on it. And when I saw the free webinar that he had put together, I decided to try it out. I thought it was great. I thought it was very easy to use, very relatable. So I said, I'm going to take the opportunity to sign up now. I have time. Improve my skills, and it was only going to help me as I was interviewing for new positions. It definitely came into play right off the bat as soon as I started. A lot of the stuff that the current organization had was manual and not repeatable. And I know what Jeff always mentions is, if it's a repeatable process, you want to automate. And that's sort of been my goal at Extreme, to just, as I've jumped in, looked at some of the processes ahead and said, hey, how can I fix it? And I've really engaged in a lot of what I learned so far from Excel University. I still have a lot to go, and I'm jumping in to take extra classes, in between meetings when I can. But it's definitely been a huge help for me in the new position and added a lot of value to some of the current processes. He's very relatable and how he presents the topics. He repeats it, so you do it the first time, repeat it again. It's just the way the university is structured with take the classes, take your tests. Then he has the fun little projects that you go, the extra credit stuff that just puts a lot of things into practice. So I just found it very easy to use. If you didn't get it, he'd repeat it again and go, the light bulb will go off. I went back to the beginning and did it from freshman year, and I'm sort of like in senior year now. Even if you know something a lot, he'd have some tricks that you pick up and little tips to help you save time. And that's what it is. Bottom line, things get busier. If you have a shortcut that can help you, it's a great thing. It definitely helps for work-life balance because you can get stuff done. I've only been in the role for 2 months, but I know in certain processes I've just gone in and we built the forecasting model, and it's using a lot of the tricks that I've learned just to automate and make it easy. The old process was, here you go, you're going to type these numbers in, whether it be 10 numbers or 15 or 25. Just save time and you make that quantifiable, every day. It's hours. It's definitely hours. I anticipate it's going to grow even more as I jump into different aspects. Yeah, absolutely. I've already told some of my coworkers, how great it was. And when I came aboard, and I said, hey, I've been doing this as I was prepping for the job. And I think it's great. It's very, very easy to do. You do it at your pace, when you have time. I think it's great. I love the structure of it. He is just very relatable, very easy to understand. And definitely, if you get a shot, do it. It's worth it.